In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter contacts in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly how to narrow your contact list so you can find the right people faster and work more efficiently. Let's start right inside your Pipedrive account. On the left-hand sidebar, click on Contacts. This takes you to the main list where all your people and organizations live. Think of this as your master directory. If it looks a little overwhelming, that's normal. This is exactly why filtering is so useful. Filtering helps you slice this big list down to just the contacts that match what you're looking for, whether that's a specific segment, ownership, activity status, or any other criteria you care about. At the top left of the contacts list, you'll see a button labeled Add Condition. This is Pipedrive's way of saying add a filter. Clicking this button opens up options that let you tell Pipedrive what you want to see and, just as importantly, what you don't. A condition is simply a rule. For example, you might choose a field like owner, label, organization, or last activity, then define how it should match, such as is not, contains, or is empty, and then set the value you're targeting. Go ahead and click Add Condition. Now, set your filters based on what you need right now. Pick a field, choose the matching operator, and enter the value. As you do this, your list will refine in real time so you can immediately see whether the filter is giving you the results you want. If you need to be more specific, you can add additional conditions to narrow your list further. For instance, you might combine a label like customer with an owner, or filter for contacts with no recent activity to plan your follow-ups. If your data is clean and consistent, using the same labels and formats across your team, your filters will be much more reliable. So it's worth being precise with names and categories when you create or update contacts. That's all there is to it. Click Contacts on the left, find the Add Condition button at the top left of your list, and set the filters that match your goal. In a few seconds, you'll have a focused list you can act on right away. Keep using the same approach anytime you need a targeted view, and you'll save time, reduce clutter, and stay on top of what matters most. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, smarter way to work in Pipedrive.